Spend a day in the life with a furniture refinisher who works from home. Even though I went to bed pretty late last night, I woke up before the puppy this morning, which was amazing because I had the laptop upstairs, so I was able to get through some emails and get a little bit of admin work done before I got up. Normally my husband would still be in bed, so I'd have to keep it dark, but he was away on a golf trip, so I was able to open it up, let what little amount of sun there was in, and make the bed. By the time I put on some comfy clothes, the dog had awoken. I heard his squeals from below. So it was time to go grab him out of the crate. We keep it covered, so it's a nice little cave. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's coming up on 5 months now. He's a big boy, for sure. But he's very cute. He still has lots of puppy energy, and I love him so much. His name's Yukon, if you didn't already know. Okay, so he had to go for a pee, started to grab my coffee, but he did not take that long because he always thinks I'm grabbing his food while he's out there, and he gets, like, paranoid. Putting in a Melozio Nespresso this morning, and he is literally watching everything I do. I'm using this fat-free Coffee Mate French vanilla creamer. I decided if I'm gonna have these, not shitty creamers, they're great, I love them. I need to have ones that have, less sugar because I have a lot of it. Okay, and he doesn't bark that much except for the second that food hits the bowl. Listen. For whatever reason, it's the sound of the food hitting the bowl. It just gets him going. Even though he knows the food's coming. It's so funny. Okay, you get the point. So it was breakfast time for Yuki. We put his food in this snuffle mat. I highly recommend grabbing one. It makes mealtime last so much longer so you can actually get some shit done, which is what I decided to do. So I did a 10-minute tidy of the kitchen. I'm trying to do one really intentional cleaning thing per day of the week, and that way I don't have any huge cleaning day requirements. So today was a deep clean of the kitchen, wipe down all the counters. If there's any appliances that need cleaning out or wiping down, I'll do that. If the floors need cleaning in that room, I'll do that. If I need to clean out the fridge, I'll do that. And then I don't have to focus on the kitchen at any point throughout the week, other than the obviously maintenance. While Yukon finished up his breakfast, I got to read while drinking my coffee. I'm reading The Tipping Point by Malcolm Gladwell. It's pretty good. And I'm working on a vintage chest of drawers kind of situation, kind of like an armoire, I guess. Anyways, I had stained it the night before, so it was ready for some top coat. So I top coated the drawers as well as the sides of them because they looked okay, but they just kind of looked a little bit dull and lifeless, and I didn't think a furniture salve was gonna bring them back in the right way. So I put a top coat and it ended up looking great, which I'm happy about. Then I sat down with my gallon of water, and I had been meaning to update my UGC portfolio recently, so I finally went in, did that, uploaded the recent work that I had done so that I could show that to brands, and Yukon was keeping watch if there's any intruders. Then I prepped an Instagram reel that was a tutorial on a recent custom secretary desk makeover I had done, but Instagram just kept crapping out when I tried to post it because it was over 90 seconds, so I don't know. I ended up being able to post another one that was also over 90 seconds, so I don't really know what was going on there, but I did all this work for nothing, so that's cool. Hopefully that will work today. And then I went up and put away the dishes that I had done, got my athletic greens going, and I had these grapes that were going to go bad, so I took them all off the stem so that I would be encouraged to eat them faster. Boiled some water for the eggs to go in. One of the eggs immediately cracked, which is a pet peeve of mine for no reason. Threw some bread in the toaster. I love this Rudolph's multi-grain sourdough bread. It's so tasty once it's look at that, all crispy. And so this was my breakfast. I did not eat the parfait because it was way too much food for 1 minute, or one meal. I can't talk today. And then I sat down to prep the podcast episode for this week. It's Busy Bee Refinishing with Mel Did It Herself. If you didn't know, I'm talking all about safety equipment while refinishing furniture. Then I did some scraping and then came and sanded down these repairs that I had done that had dried from the day before. Yukon's teething a lot right now, so I put some ice cubes together that had some kibble in it, and it just kind of keeps him more focused on a piece of ice than normal. And oh, look at him. He liked it. Then I got another coffee ready. This is a double espresso. It's the Hawaii Kona. It's the limited edition one. Pretty good. And ate the yogurt parfait that I did not eat earlier. Went back to the workshop and primed over those repairs I had done with this Kills primer. I love this one. And then took a quick gander out to the mailbox because I was expecting a package that did not come, only useless junk mail. I hate junk mail. And then, believe it or not, it was time for the pup to eat again. He goes through about 5 cups of food a day, which is why he's growing so fast, but he needs it. He's going to be a big boy. After that, we went for an hour walk, which I did not take footage of, and then came back and made myself some dinner. I made some dumplings with an Asian dressing that I make. It's linked to my recipes, and also some pigs in a blanket. Super nutritious meal, I know. And then I emptied the dishwasher. Also, if you're not having your pigs in a blanket with ketchup and mustard, we can't be friends. Then I just chilled out and painted this jewelry box I had thrifted with one of the sampler fusion paint things I had, and went to bed. Thanks for watching.